Dear students, now we are going to discuss about inserting at specific location. Okay, so in CLL, how to insert at the specific location? Let us understand through this diagram. So this is the existing list. 4, 6, 7 are the elements, and head contains the address of the first element, tail contains the address of the last element, tail of next contains the head address, so it is connecting to the first node, right? So in this I am going to insert the new node. Its data is 5 and its next node will be null. Here where I am going to insert means in the middle of 5, 6 and 7. So by seeing the diagram very clearly you can understand I have to traverse first. So first I have to go here. At which position I have to insert? Third position. So how long I have to traverse? I have to traverse one position before my number 3. So up to 2 I have to traverse. I traverse here up to here. After traversing, I have to attach this. So here traversing means we will use temp, right? So temp of next is equal to, I have to add the new node so that it will add 5000 here. Okay, after that, this is new node of next is equal to, this address has to come here. So here I have to add new node of next is equal to temp of next, so that it will point to here. Okay, this is first connected here and this is connected here. Okay, and the tail will be the same, so we are not going to do any change because 7 is the last node. So based on that, this address is going here and this address is passed here, right? So how to do that? Let us see the coding for that. I hope you understand this diagram. Let us see the coding. Here the function name is insertion at position. As usual, from the main function we are going to call this function once it completed its task, and then it will go again to the same place. Insertion at position, here two arguments I am getting from the main function. One is which data I am going to, okay, and the second one is at which position I am going to insert, third position. Okay, data is 5 and the position is 3. Two arguments I am getting from the main function. So as usual we have to create the new node by using the 4 lines. Here new node for creation and a temp for traversing. Okay, and a new node is equal to struct node. By using DMA we have to allocate the space, and the data is 5 and the next will be null. I created. Okay, after that two cases we are having. So here suppose if I want to insert at the beginning, what I have to do, the same concept whatever we have discussed from the insertion at the beginning. Okay, new node of next is equal to head will be assigned, because in the beginning I am going to assign, this is the beginning portion. So here new node of next is equal to head value, previously whatever it is there it should pass here, so that it will give link in the beginning. Okay, and finally head value will have the new node. Okay, so this is what, once it is done it has to come out of the function. If not, okay, we have to do the traverse. That means in the specific location apart from the first position, if we want to do anywhere else, how to do that one. Now let us see this portion for traversing. So for traversing I kept a separate video, please watch that one so that you will get the clarity about the traversing, how we are going to traverse. So first position is equal to 1, which position I said 3. At position 3 I have to insert. Okay, position, how long I have to traverse, up to one step before this. So position minus 1 is 2, and then I should not go beyond the list, so temp not equal to head and I plus plus. So this is the traversing statement, temp equal to temp of next. So I will explain this part. Now listen how this is going to work. Temp equal to head, so I am taking temp, its value is head. What is value? 2000. Okay, so it is pointing here. Next, I is equal to 1. Okay, I 1 less than 2, condition is true, and a temp not equal to head, temp is not equal to. Now see how it is going to work. So here I created the first line, temp, which is equal to head. Head is 2000. So it is also pointing the first node, first step. And I is equal to 1, I less than position minus 1. At what position we are going to insert now? At third position. So 3 minus 1, position minus 1 is 2. So at a position 2, 1 less than 2, yes, condition is true. First time condition true and logical. and a temp of next not equal to head. This is temp. Its next is 3000. So 3000 not equal to 2000. Yes, condition true. Both the condition true means it will go to the next line. What is that? Traversing statement, common statement. Temp equal to temp of next. I will write here. This is temp. This is temp of next. Okay. So now currently temp value is 2000 and its next value is 3000. Right? Now condition becomes true means temp of next assigned to temp. Who is temp of next? 3000. It is assigned now here. What will happen? Now temp will become 3000. So it disconnected this link and it creates the link here. Now who is temp? This is temp. Okay. Again we have to, I value will be incremented. So I is now currently 2. So 2 less than 2. No, the condition fails over here. First condition fail. So this is logical AND operator. If one condition fail also, nothing will happen. It will come out of the loop and it will go to the next place. That means I reached the position where I have to do the insertion part. So what I have to do, new node of next is equal to temp of next. This is new node of next. In this place, I have to write temp of next. Who is temp of next? 4000. So 4000 will come here so that it will point here. Okay, that is what here. This is pointing here, right? And the next step is temp of next is equal to new node. This is temp. Okay, so temp of next. In this place, what I have to add? A new node. New node value is 5000. So it gives link over here. Now this is 5000. It is give link to that. So everything is done. That's all. No need of change anything in the tail and all, because 7 is pointing to the first node. So this is the way the coding works. I hope you understand this concept. So now we completed the coding part. We are going to discuss the animation part for this so that it will be very much clear for you. So let us see this. First, at suppose, here two cases we have discussed. Suppose I would like to insert at the position 1, that is at the beginning. So how it works? Let us see here. First, this is the function call with two datas. One is data is equal to 3 and the position is first position. So this is the already existing list 467. Head contains the address of first, tail contains the address of last. New node is created, and if position is equal to 1, we are just calling the insertion at the beginning. Actually what is we are doing means new node of next is equal to head. So it is assigned, and our next step is head equal to new node. That assignment done. And then 7 here, the tail part is there. No, tail of next should be equal to head. If you are doing the insertion at the first position, it completes and then come out of the loop. Suppose in the middle position, how we have to do it? So 4, 6, 7 is there. I have to insert in between 6 and 7. Let us see how it is working. Data is 5 and position 3. So this is what we created the new linked list. First condition is failed because here position is equal to 3. Okay. I assigned a temp value is head, and then starts the looping so that the condition true, it is pointing to the next time the condition fails in this case. So new node of next is equal to temp of next we have assigned. Temp of next is equal to new node. Here it is checking temp equal to tail. No, it is not a tail. That's what this condition failed. So it will come out of the loop. So in this way, we will insert at the specific location. Now let us see the algorithm part for this. Now you see here, first we started function definition. We inserted the function name. This is with the two datas. One is data and another one is position. And then we created the new node. We allocated the space for that, and the data field is filled with the data, and the next pointer is null. And the two cases, one is if position is equal to 1, then we have, what are the procedures we have done? Created the new node, and then head equal to tail equal to new node. If position equal to 1, whatever we created, update the head of the list to be new node and then return from the function. Okay. If not, we have taken the temporary pointer temp, head is assigned to that, and then we traversed to the desired position by using the for loop. For I is equal to 1, I less than position minus 1, and it should not go beyond the list. That's what a temp of next not equal to head. And then once it is reached, we assigned temp of next to the new node of next, and then new node to the temp of next. Like that we assign. That's all about algorithm. So now I hope you understand the concept of insertion at the specific location. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. We will continue in the next video.